Are you looking for an easy way to automatically store files uploaded through your contact forms to Google Drive? We've got you covered. I'm Daisy with WPForms, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Google Drive add-on. This add-on will allow you to automatically send user-uploaded files to a folder in Google Drive each time a user fills out and submits a form on your site. Before we begin, be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can keep up with all of our latest tips and tricks for WordPress. Starting off in the WordPress dashboard, you'll first need to install and activate the Google Drive add-on, so go to WPForms, Add-ons, and use the search bar on the right to find the Google Drive add-on. Once the add-on is installed and activated, go to the Settings tab on the left under WPForms, and then click on Integrations. Find the Google Drive integration, and click on the Continue with Google button to connect WPForms to your Google account. You'll then be redirected to a new page where you'll need to select which account you'd like to use with WPForms. Then you'll sign in and be taken to a page where WPForms will ask for access to your Google account. Click on the Continue button to grant access, and afterwards you'll be redirected back to the integrations page of WPForms, where you'll see a green connected status next to Google Drive. Now that your site is connected to Google Drive, we can go into the form builder and link it to a specific form. Inside the form builder, click on the Settings tab on the left and select Google Drive from the available list. Click on the Add New Connection button on the right-hand side to give the connection a name, and click on the OK button when you're done. You'll then see a drop-down where you can select the Google Drive account we just connected WPForms to. Once you select it, you'll see a few additional settings appear: Folder and File Upload fields. Under the Folder setting, you can either choose to create a new folder or select an existing one. If you choose to create new, you can write in the name of the new folder. This folder will automatically be created when the form is saved, and all uploaded files will be stored there when submitted through this form. If you choose Select Existing, then you can choose an existing folder in your Google Drive account to send these uploaded files to. In the File Uploads drop-down, you can select the File Upload field in your form that will contain the file you'd like to send to Google Drive. If you have multiple file upload fields in your form, you can choose each one individually or select the All File Upload Fields option. Once you save your settings, you'll see a button called View Folder on Drive. Clicking this button will open the selected folder in your Google Drive account. Under the Advanced Options section, you'll see a toggle called Delete Local Files After Upload. By default, uploaded files are saved both in your WordPress media library and in your Google Drive folder, but you can choose to store files only on Google Drive by enabling this setting. When this option is disabled, files uploaded through your forms will be stored both on your WordPress site and in your Google Drive account. You can also enable conditional logic for this connection so that the files will only be sent to Google Drive if a user meets certain criteria, like making a specific selection in your form. Be sure to save your changes when you're done, and then preview your form to test out the connection. When you've submitted a test entry, you can head over to Google Drive to find your newly uploaded file. You can also head over to the Entries page in WPForms for this particular form to view the entry on your site. Under the File Upload section, you'll see two links, one to the file itself and one that will let you view the file in Google Drive. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to connect WPForms to Google Drive and automatically store file uploads in your Drive account. If you have any questions or concerns, please visit WPForms.com and check out our documentation page, where you can find step-by-step written guides for all of our features, add-ons, and more. You can also join our WPForms VIP Circle group on Facebook to learn even more tips and tricks, as well as be part of the growing WPForms community. If you need any extra help, please visit our contact page and reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.